Here you have it, third week of the season. It's Thursday. I think it's the 19th today, which I'm wicked bad with dates, so.
It's actually Friday the 20th.
Here we go. It's Friday the 20th. So, we came up on this spot. Shane and I have been hunting for 2 days. We've called in some birds. Just hasn't worked out. Been trying to get one with the bow for video, but that hasn't worked out either. I'm leaving for Canada next week on a bear hunt, so got two, we think, long beards. We definitely saw one had a long beard on it in this field neighboring it. So basically it goes up over this rise and there's a split of two tow roads. I've hunted this spot before. I'd like to get into the field with them because there's two fields there, but we haven't heard them gobble. They were content, they were just feeding, so, and the mosquitoes and the black flies are eating us up, it's getting warm. But anyway, we got the Joey, Jake, and hen. I'm gonna jump over here to the right. There's a fallen down tree. Shane's gonna get kind of brushed in over there. We'll see what goes on. Probably our luck this morning, it won't happen, but this is what we're up against, so we're gonna try to make a go of it. Right there, baby. Two, one shell. Hey, finally, right?
Absolutely.
Oh my goodness. Shane and I have been running around past 2 days. I can't even tell you what these birds look like, but they look like they're going in my freezer because, you know, we've called some birds in, opted not to shoot them. Those came in perfect. Literally couldn't have been any better, the setup. Shane's behind this old fallen log, and Maineiac Outdoors calls. I'm actually kind of shaking a little bit. That was fast. They actually gobbled right up around the corner. And we really wanted to get one with a bow, and we've been trying. And I leave next week for a bear hunt up in Canada. Shane's played out. We've been chasing birds all season long. It's been a great year. I'm kind of relieved, man. And they, you know, the first one came down, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna at least get the strutter out of this deal. And that second one started hopping it to it. They crossed right on that bead, and I got them both. Shane and I worked our butts off past 2 days. I've taken a bunch of people out. He's gotten his birds. It's actually been a real good season, just running out of time. Headed to Canada on a bear hunt next week. Ended up getting a 2-year-old long beard. Oh, he's got double beard, man. Look at this. Oh, wow. That's cool as all get out. He's got like a 4-inch beard and then like a 9-inch beard. 2 beards, and then we're not sure what he is. He's got a Jake fan. He's almost full fan, but maybe early last hatch, but he's got the same spurs as this bird does, like half an inch or so. Couldn't be happier. I've never killed or had the opportunity. Usually I'm swinging bow, and so I got the chance to kill 2 birds with 1 shot, and they came in like, I killed myself a double bearded tom. That's the 2nd one I've ever gotten. I'm pretty stoked about that. So Shane and I are done, you know, filming the birds. We get them back out, and of course, thought I had a double beard. I actually have a triple beard. So there's one there. Oh, I'd say he's 9.5. 2nd beard right there is probably 3 or 4 inches. And then lo and behold, you gotta kind of dig for him, is the 3rd beard, which is really tiny, but I don't know if you can see that or not.
Yep.
Hold the feathers back. 3 beards. It's pretty crazy. I've never shot a triple bearded bird. So that's bird number 1, and then investigating the smaller bird here. He has a double beard. We got 1 beard there and 1 there.
Nice job, man.
So I shot a combination of 5 beards on 2 birds. So